Today I'm going to show you SAMPLIZE, which is a new to me, peel and stick paint sampling idea, which I love because traditional sampling is expensive and a pain in the butt, and you have to go to the store, you have to put pants on, and nobody wants to do that. So we're looking at SAMPLIZE. It's a 12 by 12 sheet. This is Sherwin Williams iron ore, which is an incredibly badass soft black color. So you can see I'm just going to peel the backing off here. Okay, now, so you can see, sticky. And I mean, I wouldn't put this color on this wall, but it's nice and high contrast. So let's see how that goes on. Boom, boom, boom. Hardly even a wrinkle to be seen. A few, but no biggie. It's even got a bit of an eggshell finish. So it's got that little slight texture, just like your walls. And it is an eggshell finish when it comes to paint sheen, which is super cool. Let's see how it peels off now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at it go. Boom, love it. Let's try it again. Because when you sample paint, it's important to move it around onto different walls. And I want to make sure that I can move this as much as I want. Because I want to look at it at night. Day, I want to look at it against my trim work and all that jazz. So normally I would never hang a paint sample in the middle of the wall because it needs something, it needs a frame of reference. You need to put it next to trim, you need to put it behind furniture. And let's try it again. Yeah, I love it. Look, and so what? I'm coming up on half a dozen times of peeling it off and it's still kicking it super well. It hasn't even touched the paint on my walls. But I have well-prepped surfaces, which is another important part. If your paint is already peeling off your walls, then that's the problem. It's not going to be the peel and stick that's your problem. I could put that on cabinets. Well, yeah, let's look. I can carry it on here, which is like a cabinet finish. So if I were wanting to change the color of this, slap it on there, peel it off. I like a two-handed peel. I have a little bit more control over it that way. So that is SAMPLIZE. This is fantastic. It's half the price of traditional sample pots. You paint over it if you want. One thing you can't really do is put it back on its paper. It's a super hot mess when you do that. So once it's off its backing, you're committed. So you might even want to keep it on its backing until you're ready. So you can tape it up on the wall, move it around, and then when you're super excited about the color, you can take it off the backing. And that makes a lot of sense if you're doing a lot of samples, so you can move them all around super easy with the tape. And then once you narrow it down, get down to your favorite 2 or 3, you can slap them on the wall like a wet noodle. And Bob's your uncle, which is funny because Bob is my uncle. So there you go. So that's SAMPLIZE. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.